Drunk kitten.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh, easy, baby.
Drunk kitten.
No, it's okay. So we're gonna go back in our
Oh, it's camera shy. It's camera shy.
Our pot is very dark.
Yeah, I know. Well, Hannah does have flash on.
Oh no. You can't wander all around.
Well, I mean, she can, but she can't, like, hurt herself.
Oh,
She can't,
I
like,
want her to
jump
stay in
and
this
stuff.
vicinity. I don't want her. I mean, she's very unstable on her feet right now.
No, don't play.
You need to go back in your cage until you get undrunk.
Yeah, just keep going.
Oh, you're gonna be hurting later.
I don't think she's hurting now.
No, I don't think she's hurting. When you're this dipped up on pain meds, you don't feel anything.
That's right,
I better call her on her real fast. Just in case she decides to be... No, this one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this one, in case she decides to try to bite at her stitches. I'm gonna need some help, though.
Okay.
Come on, baby.
You want me to, like, put her in my lap or something?
Yeah. Come here. Say, no, I don't want that on.
Come here, kitty.
No. Oh, I don't like it.
It's like something's going around my neck.
Nope.
Something's going on. I can smell your neck.
Actually, if you could put it on her, that'd be great. I'll try to record it as best as I can. It goes like that.
It goes like this?
Yeah.
I knew, honey. Like that.
Mm-hmm.
No, I'm trying to be really easy with her. But, okay, there you go.
Should be good.
It should be good for now. It's like, what? Satellite dish kitty.
Oh, no!
Oh,
No, I don't need to hurt yourself.
It's okay, kitty. It's okay.
It's okay. Oh, you put it. Oh, she got it around her eyes. Oh,
Oh.
Easy.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Okay, yeah, she's not having that.
I mean, she has to get used to it.
Oh, yeah.
She just has to.
But she's really confused right now. I'm sure that's not helping.
So, when she's not confused and drunk.
No. Come back. Be a good girl.
Here, show the camera the stitches. The stitches.
She's looking good.
Yeah.
You gonna go pat on it?
She probably doesn't. She's too confused.
She said, I thought about it.
I thought about it. But I thought about it.
As long as she's just walking, she's fine. But we're not gonna run. We're not gonna jump. We're not gonna get too playful.
Oh, see one on there. Oh, you scared her.
I scared her and she fell over. I think she's hungry, which is why she keeps going over. Oh! So what? Oh, I forgot how to drink. How do I do this again?
Shut up, Sam.
And stick my whole nose in it. Oh no, don't put your paws in it.
No, Ember. No, Ember, no.
Yummy.
Ember.
She's trying to find the doggies.
It's like, what's that noise? What's that noise?
Okay, we're gonna calm down a bit. We're gonna put her back in her cage.
Okay.
Because she needs to calm down.